What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm Bearded. She's the Bobber. And I know we're on the freeway. I can only hope this audio is good. But it's not something I normally do. I usually take the back roads. And I don't even worry about it because this damn exhaust is so loud. Which is also bad in California now. But we're going to skip that. Enough people talk about that. I was putting my helmet on, getting some beard hair stuck everywhere and pulling. And, you know, I came to this notion the other day when I was talking to my son. Sometimes they're like, "Oh, Dad, your beard's too long." And I'm like, "Nah, it's not." I was like, my beard and mustache, you know, they're here to stay. Sometimes I may not like the mustache because it can be a pain in the ass and the upkeep is a lot harder than the beard. But Bombshell loves that mustache, so it goes with the whole beard, so I'll take it. She thinks I look Amish without it. But I wanted to try to do a little series here, and you know, there's always talk about the bobber, not a whole lot of talk about the beard. And I mean the beard, not me, the beard. And he's undercover. Or just an asshole. But when I was growing up, when I was like 14 years old, I had that little mustache, you know. It was thin, but I already had it. I didn't shave it because I didn't like the way I looked without it. You know, I shaved it a couple times and I'm no thanks. I'll be rocking out. And then there was one summer I was dating this girl, and we were friends for a while, and then we started dating. We dated for a few weeks, and nothing there, like no real chemistry. I don't know what it was. I don't even know why we got together if like it didn't want to like pull together. You know, it's weird. But I was some boy with a crush, and it, you know. But we ended it nicely, and we were like, "Hey, this isn't really working, is it?" "No." "All right, cool. You know, peace. See you later. See you at school." You know, after the summer. But that whole summer, it was like one of the only summers I wasn't working. I didn't shave. You know, I was letting it grow in. And when I went to school, I trimmed it down to just like, you know, my chin, my goatee area. And I had a friend who had it, and I was like, "Oh, you know, all right, I'll try that," you know, and it worked. I liked it, and you know, I was like, "Oh, I'll give this a shot." See, in California, it was probably pretty popular. In Arizona, it was not. We didn't get trends till way later. Like when I moved here, I didn't know what emo people were, so that's just how it worked. You know, there's still a huge bro phase out there, so. And it's crazy popular across like all of it. It's just, you know, but that's a whole nother thing. Whole nother story. But I got to school, and it's the first time she had seen me. You know, we didn't have FaceTime and Instagram and all the bullshit. And it wasn't even that long ago, really. It feels like forever ago now. And so she hadn't seen me. I walk up and she goes, "Hey." I'm like, "Hey." I'm like, "What are you doing? Why are you looking at me like that?" And she's like, "Oh, what, you know," I just starts like finger on my face and the whole like, "How you doing?" And just completely different situation than it was during the summer. And I was like, "What the fuck is happening?" Like, this is, you know, it was different. I had girlfriends and I had all this stuff, but I never had like the experience like with from one person it may completely change because I changed it a little bit. You know, I matured or whatever you want to call it, you know. No, I got lazy and I didn't shave, and it fucking worked. My aunt and uncle hated it, but it worked for me. Damn, you guys see that right now? My car was on fire. Come on, man. Then, so it was this huge change for me, and I think that was like right when I was just like, all right, this shit stays. Which, there's been a couple cases where it's been gone, but those are for another entry into the Bearded Diaries. I think that works. I don't know. Anybody else have any experience like that? And like, is that why, or that just they have a different reason? Like my dad had a beard growing up, so I was, always kind of wanted a beard. And right now it's like probably the biggest it's been. I've had it long a few times, but I think it's like right where it's been. And I'm just kind of letting it just go. And I don't know, maybe we'll braid it or something. And I thought about braiding it like at the Vikings and all that stuff, and then we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. See if Bombshell wants me to cut it. Trim it down a little bit. It does sometimes look better trimmed, but hey, it's cold right now, so this thing is insulation. Beards serve a purpose. A man. That's why I think I told my son, I was like, yeah, you know why I have a beard? I'm a man. Which, I'm just joking for all our facial follicle challenged people. I don't know. Is there a word for this? I'm gonna look it up. Future Jeff will post it on the screen. I don't know. Was that right? I have a few people that are like that. They can't grow facial hair for shit. And then, of course, there's the, oh, it's fun. I don't like beards. Calm down, sir. You would at least have a beard once. At least once. Just to fucking do it, I think it's an experience. Wow. I didn't really get to ever, like, grow it like I am now. Because, like, a lot of stuff we do for women, guys. You know this. And I kept my last facial hair trimmed all, nice. Fuck, I'll post a picture of that too. All the time, That was just the way it looked. I didn't have the mustache. I had just the nice groomed fucking thing. I don't know all the names for these. Like, there's people with names for everything. Names for fucking shit that's already been named, and people just rename it for their own fucking pleasure. Alright. Dun dun dun. And of course you're staying in my lane. Well, guys, that's episode 1 of the Bearded Diaries. Let me know what you guys think. Was that fun? Was it fucking stupid? Get it out of here. You guys let me know. Until then, like always, you guys, stay safe, stay classy.